Hey guys, it's Rob, HNRA42. Miss Bonnie here is what I have decided to do with your gift. I just ran it through a simple piece of paracord, took the compass that I'd bought in, I don't know, a few weeks back, and just fixed it to a fixed point knot and a whistle as well, and it will go around my neck perfectly for just hiking out in the woods or hunting or whatever, you know, just kind of like a little survival necklace type. It's my old lifeguard whistle that I've had forever. That was real sentimental to me. But so yeah, I don't know, just an idea for now that I'm gonna use for a little while and try it out and see how I like it and go from there. So just wanted to show a little update. Compass, ball compass, and a whistle. Man, that thing's pretty. Thank you again, Miss Bonnie. See you around, fellas and sisters.